What's up guys? Well, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I bought another Jeep. Paid $350 for this Jeep. This is kind of a project where people that suffered in COVID times, they don't have work, they don't have money, they buy and sell cars on behalf of other people, and you just pay them a little bit of a commission for that. So everybody's struggling in this COVID times. So I bought this Jeep, which I'll reveal to you now. It's in a bad state. It's much worse than I thought it would be, but I think there's potential. I think I can save this Jeep. It's not my first choice, but it was kind of cheap, and I think this is going to be the money pit. So let me show you this Jeep. This is it. It's a 2002 KJ 3.7 V6. So this is the engine. It's just a block. The heads are missing, the timing cover is missing. All these timing belts are, or timing chains, sorry, they're wrecked. There's a nice bonnet stay. The shock's obviously not working anymore. This just comes off quite easily. This is the cradle I talked about. It's broken everywhere. Broken. Move along, there's passenger door. This just needs to clip in somehow, to be honest. Not sure how this plastic's in are broken. So guys, I already sourced new interior for this whole vehicle. It's gonna be black leather, black dash, black door cards, and new carpets, basically everything brand new. Rear passenger door, same thing, dirty as heck, engine parts lying everywhere. So guys, I think what we're doing next is we're going to wash this car and just see how bad it is really. I think it's so dirty, might just need a wash. It will work again, maybe drive again. No, I'm just joking, that engine is screwed. Talking about the engine, I'm open to suggestions. What do you guys think? Lexus V8, should I repair this engine? So I look for something else? Comment below. I don't know. Anything is possible, unless it's in the budget. So let's watch this bad boy. Jeep. The paint is actually not too bad. I think a wet sand and maybe a polish will do it, but I'm up for options. Let me quickly show you this paint. Don't know if this camera can catch it. Let's try and focus in. It's got a nice pull to it. As I said, it is rough. It will need a bit of a good paint. I'm thinking maybe repainting this whole Jeep military green. That might be a not too bad option. But that's it, guys. This is a new project. If you do like what we're going to do this, please subscribe to the channel and please like the video and share if you can. I'm open to plans, I'm open to suggestions. Should we put in a Lexus V8 into this? Should we repaint this whole vehicle? Going full steel bumpers, front and back, maybe doing fenders as well. Put new tires on it, better wheels. I'm open for suggestions. Thanks for watching and please hit that subscribe button. Peace.